Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to pin a message on WhatsApp on Android. If you want to pin a message on WhatsApp on your Android phone, so you just need to follow these steps. First, open your WhatsApp app, and here you just need to select the chat in which you want to pin a message. As I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it. Here you just need to keep a long press on message which you want to pin. As I am going to pin this one, so just keep a long press on it. And then here you can see the three dots option in the top right corner of the screen. Just tap on it. And here the option of pin. Just tap on it. And then select the timer. As I am selecting 24 hours, so just select it. Then pin. And after that you can see I have successfully pinned the message on WhatsApp into my Android phone. So that's how you can pin WhatsApp message on Android phone. So thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.